Ahoy, seniors! Are you ready to set sail on the vast digital ocean? Fear not, for you won't be venturing into uncharted waters. With a treasure map of resources and a sprinkle of humor, you'll be navigating the tech seas like a seasoned captain in no time. Let's hoist the sails and dive into the details. The ABCs of tech. Remember when the most complex device in the house was the TV remote? Well, times have changed, and now we've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. But don't worry, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to use them. Just remember, every tech device is like a pet. It needs a bit of attention, some care, and occasionally a treat, like an update or a new app. Libraries, not just for books anymore. Your local library isn't just a haven for bookworms. It's a tech hub for the silver surfers. They've got books that'll guide you through the tech jungle. From computers for seniors, email, internet, photos, and more in 14 easy lessons, to internet for seniors in easy steps. And if you're feeling adventurous, ask the librarian for a tutorial. They're like the friendly park rangers of the information forest. Online treasures, websites like aginginplace.org are like the GPS for your tech journey. They offer guides that can turn you from a tech newbie to a digital ninja in just 10 days. Imagine that, in less time than it takes to grow a decent sunflower, you could be teaching your grandkids a thing or two about the internet. Digital literacy, your new superpower. Organizations like SeniorNet are like the Hogwarts for tech magic. They offer online courses that'll have you casting digital spells in no time. You'll be so good, you might even start getting calls from friends asking for tech support. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Workshops, where the magic happens. Local workshops at senior centers are like group therapy for tech anxiety. They're a place to meet fellow tech aspirants, share stories of accidental selfies, and learn the art of not accidentally calling your boss while trying to turn off the alarm. Helplines, your tech lifeline. When you're stuck and the screen is just laughing at you with a blank stare, tech support helplines are there to rescue you. Gadget lists some of the best ones. They're like the tech equivalent of roadside assistance, but instead of fixing tires, they're fixing Wi-Fi. Family ties, the tech connection. Learning to use messaging apps like WhatsApp or Viber is like learning a secret family language. It's a way to stay connected and show off your new tech skills. Plus, it's a great way to remind your kids that you're still cooler than they think. Dates, the fountain of youth for devices. Keeping your software updated is like giving your device a sip from the fountain of youth. It keeps things running smoothly and protects you from the digital pirates trying to steal your treasure or data. For seniors, where we help seniors every week by answering tech and other questions. We offer easy-to-understand and follow advice every Monday via our Zoom show. On Thursdays, We update seniors and anyone else visiting us on YouTube or Facebook on the latest tech news. Learn more, just visit the Tech for Senior website at the link listed. Embrace the adventure. Remember, becoming tech savvy is a journey, not a sprint. It's okay to laugh at the mishaps along the way, like when you accidentally take a selfie instead of a photo of the grandkids. It's all part of the adventure. So there you have it, a detailed map to tech savviness. With these resources and a dash of humor, you'll be the tech-savvy pirate king or queen of the retirement community. Now go forth and conquer the digital world, and maybe even start your own blog about it. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember that this blog post is brought to you by the letter T for technology and the number 2024, the year you became tech savvy. Be exploring. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.